Okay. That all looks good. Okay, now we've installed the we'll call it, for this particular cap, the base for it. Put the washer on, the flat washer. Put the castle nut, and then we put the cotter pin in there through the whole line of the hole and set it in there. Now we'll go ahead and set this in and tap this. Okay. That should be the reassembly of that. Let's just check this here to make sure that this is spinning. It's going to be tight, but we can make an adjustment through this hole here. Through this hole down here is where we'll make an adjustment for the brakes, because this is a new piece, and the shoes are probably pulled out a little bit, so we'll make a minor adjustment for that. I just want to make sure that this is able to turn. Grab it down here. There we go. Okay, very good. Okay, let's go ahead and set the wheel on there. Reassemble it. So the proper way is for the bevel on the lug nut to go up against the wheel to be seated for reassembly. Once I get it off the blocks, we'll go ahead and tighten this up when it's flush on the ground. And then we'll just do a test drive, see how it works, and test it, and then we'll adjust the brakes.